The dogs have no idea what's going on. See you later, buddy. I love you. Pelican case. Check. Backpack and camera gear. Check. Clothing. Check. I'll see you in a few days, a few weeks. I love you too.
Why a few weeks? Are you crazy?
No, it's just gonna be like a few days. I'm just going to see my parents. Now that is coffee. None of that nasty Starbucks shit. Gracias. Gracias. Oh man, finally, we made it to Tepoztlán. So Tepoztlán is like the last caseta on the trip into Mexico City from Querétaro. I'm pretty much here. I'm in. I had to stop though and pull over on the side of the road. As you can see, I'm on the periférico, headed into Mexico City. But the problem is, you see, is I have this Jeep right here, right? With San Luis Potosi license plate. And it's illegal to drive in Mexico City with a vehicle not registered in Mexico City before 11 o'clock in the morning. So if you try to drive in before 11 o'clock, the police will fucking stop you and they will give you a huge ticket. And they'll just like totally be douchebags about you driving in the city with your car. It's a stupid law, it's ridiculous, but these cops are out there like sharks and they can smell it like blood. When you're doing something illegal, or if you're doing something wrong and your paperwork's not right, or your stickers or tags are expired, these guys are on it. They're on it. They get that shit quick. So I'm pulled over here. It's 10:50. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then start driving again because I don't want to get a ticket. I had to stop to get toilet paper because Mexican bathrooms usually don't have any. Most bathrooms in Mexico, especially Mexico City, on the public side, the public facing bathrooms, usually don't have a toilet seat because it's been stolen, because people steal the toilet seats. Butt on the rim. That's the way they make you poop.
Hey, I was just coming up to say hi. You
How you
made it.
doing?
Oh, good.
Ah,
No GoPro for me.
no GoPro. This is a
Or
camera.
not your camera. Your new
One of them.
Cool.
New one's here.
You're quiet walking down the stairs. I should have get up there first.
No, you're slow. What's up?
Hi, it's so
I
great
made it.
to see you. Yay. Doesn't it with the tree and sewer?
Yeah, it does. What's up? Sashimi. What's up? Long time no see, Sashis. How you been? What's up?
Not much.
How we doing? Look at that beard. How you been?
Sush.
Yeah. Where's the little brother at?
Yo, what's up?
Look who it is. What's up, buddy?
Yo.
How you doing?
My little brother. Hey, what's up?
I finally made it.
Finally made it. What's up?
Love this guy. Face.